Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over the transformations quiz and how I graded all of that. On the first problem, it was worth 2 points. You got a point for each coordinate being correct, so I asked for what the new coordinate of point A is. So if you got the x coordinate right, you got a point. If you got the y coordinate correct, you got a point for that. The number 2 was worth 3 points. You got a point for completing each transformation correctly. And then you got a point for doing them in the right order. So the composition of transformations, you needed to do the translation of move forward 3 up 3 or forward 3 up 4 first, and then reflect over the x-axis. Number 3 was worth 2.5 points. You got 1 point for finding the correct center of rotation, a half a point for finding out how many degrees that it rotated, and 1 point for being able to describe the rule that took the original to the new one. If you lost a half a point on the rule, it's probably because you messed up thinking about which order it went from. So if you went from the prime to the original versus going from the original to the prime. And then the last one, number 4, was worth 3.5 points. You got 1 point for each transformation, and then you got 1.5 points were designated to writing it as a composition of transformations. So I took out some points if you didn't write it as a composition of transformations. If you look back at problem number 2, that's a composition of transformations. So you could have looked at that to see what that needs to look like. And I think that's it. So, and just to let you know, this is my daughter, Evelyn. Thought you guys might want to see her. Say hi. She was 7.5 pounds. Sorry, 7 pounds, 11.5 ounces. So she's great. Hope you guys are having fun, and I will see you guys in April.